Whoa, we got a camo sticker. I may have to keep that for the laptop, honestly. That's fire. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And for today's video, we've got a Supreme Week 1 haul. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 separate orders. So hopefully we get a lot of stickers and free gifts. I'm just gonna open them up, show you guys what I got. I'm probably not gonna take them out of their packaging because they're all just to be sold, but still, I thought I'd show you guys what I got and maybe what they're going for. Let's go ahead and get started. Package number 1. The goal is that we got at least 1 free gift and some stickers as well. Like I said, everything I bought from Supreme Week 1 is just to resell. Let's go. Okay, we got 1 free gift. Supreme gloves. Let's go. These will probably go for like $15, but just the fact that it's free is pretty cool. This is a green Supreme S logo New Era hat. Retail was like 48 bucks, I believe, and it's going for like 110. So, okay, we got stickers. These Supreme sticker packs can sell for like $5, which is again good. Okay, we got the Supreme New Era Arc logo beanie. This one, I think it was like $35. It's going for like 50 or 60. But this is something that I could see going up in price because it's so cool, and it's with New Era. So got this as well. We got this Futura t-shirt, size large, gray with the purple logo. I'm tempted to keep this. This is fun. This is one of the things in my preview video where I said it's one of my favorite things in the whole Supreme season. The Futura tee. This is a gray one, and I don't know. I'm tempted to keep it, but I'm probably gonna sell everything here. That's everything we got in package number 1. Number 2. We're hoping to have gotten some gloves, maybe some stickers. Let's go, let's go. Free gift number 2. More Supreme gloves, let's go. Let's go, another sticker pack, same ones. And in this one, we've just got size large. Oh, this is the Pharaoh tee. Size large in white. Let's see what it's going for. Only like 65 bucks. Retail price was 48. Not too impressive for this one. It's a cool shirt, and I could see it going for like 100 in the future, so probably we'll just hold on to it. But still, the fact that it came with stickers and gloves, I can make like $40 with this whole that single Supreme order. So that's pretty cool. The funny story about this is a couple of these orders I'm kind of surprised I forgot about, because I accidentally put my email, instead of gmail.com, gmail.xom on accident. I wrote that, and so I didn't get any confirmation or shipping emails. So, but still, let's go. Okay, next up. Let's go, another free gift. Whoa, we got a camo sticker. I may have to keep that for the laptop, honestly. That's fire. I think this is called like the Nuevo York or something. This is a size XL. Let's see what it's going for. Going for like 60, not that much, but like I said, with the stickers and the free gift, it makes it worth it. And then this will eventually go up to probably like 100 in the future, so just gonna hold on to it as well. And then we got our last pack. This has been a fun little unboxing, but it must come to an end. Let's just hope we get one more free gift. Cut open the free. Let's go. This is actually pretty crazy because I would say like it's a 60% chance that a package will come with it, and the fact that I've gotten on all of them is pretty cool. More stickers. Like I said, you can sell these for like $5 each, the packs. This is the Supreme, I think it's called the Lovers t-shirt. Size small, black. Size small Supreme t-shirts usually go up in price and are worth stupid money in the future. So this one, I think it's going for like 70 or 80 right now. But if I hold on to this one long enough, I could see it going for like 150. And and I have some shirts that are kind of like that already, doing that similar trend. So that takes care of this unboxing. That's everything I got from Supreme week 1. It was a great success. I got everything I wanted except the basketball probably and the cards. But yeah, let's go. Supreme week 1 haul. That's everything I got. Peace out.